As you can see right here, guys, I just made $11,300 through this very strategy, and everything about this operation will be explained pretty shortly. But first, let us quickly analyze the charts. Right here, we have a very beautiful Euro USD, very stable currency pair, as you already know. So right here, every single candle is 1 minute, as you can see, and of course, we'll be trading over a period of 5 minutes expiry. We are risking 6 grand, and the payout is 89 cents, pretty decent. Let's see how much we can add to a balance of 216 grand, as you can see right here, guys. So that being said, we will walk you through the chart to see what's going on, and then we will look to see if we can enter a trade or not. Okay, so clicking on the chart, we can see that it used to be a very powerful uptrend, but somehow something different is happening right now, and I can tell for a fact that the buyers are no longer capable of moving the price up. But to prove that, I will quickly draw a horizontal level. First, I will have it on this resistance zone. Okay, so this happened to be a strong resistance zone, and of course you can see the price is shying away from this level, from this very recent high. What happens is that price failed to break above this very level, so we can see that to be a sign that the buyers are quite not able to move the price upward in the meantime. All right, now also you can see that on the support level, we also see that price is a little bit stagnated, and price is also bouncing around this level, as you can see. And this again, if you look on the overall scale of things, you can see that what we're having now is a range, which means that price is bouncing between this very level on the resistance and of course on the support, and the price has been moving in a straight line on this very zone. So that being said, we also have some other things we put into consideration, but to prove that point again, I will also now draw a trend line, and I will have it right here on this support level, and the whole essence is just to track the movement of the price on this very lower scale. You can look into this very level and see that what is happening here is that this is a structure of a minor uptrend, but again, I can consider that to be at least a structure that is worth paying a close attention to. Even though I know that since this level has been tested now, price is on its way to this level, but that can happen when we have the confirmation, and this structure that I've drawn right here will be giving me the entry I need to be able to trust that price can potentially move and test this previous level, as we can see. So we'll see what happens. If that happens, of course I will trade, and of course if price also reverses back to the previous highs, I will also look to see if I can have some good entry, and of course whichever happens, I will trade and of course explain so you can learn and apply the same when you trade. So let us wait. So guys, as expected, we are having a breakout into the zone of entry, like I said, and let's see if we can have a good breakout on this very one. And okay, I will join the sellers. Now I'm in on this very trade, and of course I strongly believe that the price wants to fall now. It hasn't happened for quite some minutes now. Price has been, since this very high, price has been trapped around this very level, and this trend line happened to be respected, but now the rule has changed, and you can see that this trend has been violated. This only means that the sellers can move the price, and the next destination of this market has to be this very recent support level, as you can see right here. So everything about this operation will be explained shortly, so make sure you don't go anywhere. So let us wait. Now here is the most important part. Entry is very important when you trade the binary options market. Now you can talk about the trend, you can talk about support and resistance, you can talk about structure, you can talk about price action, but at the end of the day, entry is the most important thing. And of course, you have to pay a very close attention to the lower scales, because the lower scales are where everything happens. Okay, so entry is very important. You have to learn how to spot the best entry that are going to be profitable for you, and in the long run makes you profitable in the binary options market. So that will be explained very shortly, so make sure you don't go anywhere. As you can see right here, guys, I just made $11,300 through this very strategy, and everything about this operation will be explained pretty shortly. But first, let us quickly walk you through the chart. Okay, so this very beautiful Euro USD chart was a very perfect one, and of course the execution was to match. Everything was spot on. I entered the trade, and of course everything turned out to be perfect, and now we have 202 grand right here sitting in the very live account. Okay, so let us walk you through the chart again so you understand what we put together that has helped me to place this very beautiful trade. So I came in and I understood that the buyers has been moving the price really strongly, and price has been pumping up towards the buyer side for such a long time. But you know, things happen, and when things happen in the market, you have to be able to tell what can happen again from that point onward. Okay, now from this very recent high, which is a good one for the buyers, but the price fell down, and since then price is finding it very difficult to move upward towards the upside. Now this right here is a recent high. Price came here for the first time after a long time, but price failed to break above that level. Now from this very occurrent till now, we have had the price testing this level twice in the past, and then also tested the level twice in the past. Now, so if you apply price structure very well, you understand that the structure that this market is creating right now is a range, because we are having equal lows and equal highs being created. Now that being said, we can trade this in multiple different ways. We can wait for price to come down to use the support level to go up. We can wait for price to go up and use the resistance level to go down. Now, I paid a close attention again to the lower scale, and I understand that on the lower scale, we are having a minor uptrend, because now if you look at this market from this recent low, price has been moving up, and to this very level, when price failed to go up, price has been trapped right here in the very triangle. If I pull this now to the end, you will see that this happened to be a triangle that price has been trapped inside. Now again, everything is very simple. If price breaks below the structure of the very minor support level that I've drawn, then it will only show to us that the sellers can be stronger, and then price can move and use this level again as support for price to go up. So everything was very simple. I had to wait for the breakout, and the breakout happened right here on this very level. So I will draw this trend line correctly so we can understand. Okay, so this very candle happened to be the breakout that we had. The breakout was superb, was perfect, and of course at the end of this very candle, price starts to fall, and ever since then it has been back-to-back red candles up till now. And of course, eventually this is the next level that price is going to be testing in the future, guys. This is everything about this live operation. A very simple strategy that you can learn and start practicing starting right now. So if you find value in the live operation, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live operation that will be coming up in the future. So I will see you again on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.